Hi, this is the OPPO F19 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so to do that tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app and click to enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher and tap to activate. Go back and click to switch input methods. So now switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard, and now the process is finished, and let's check our keyboard look, so we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.